Welcome to our top 11 game-changing innovations that are shaping the future of technology and beyond. Imagine a world where Hyundai's visionary mobility solutions, AKKA's revolutionary flying train concept, and seamless satellite 5G connectivity redefine our daily life. Picture DJI's Avata, 2 drone, soaring with unmatched precision, or 6G technology, offering lightning-fast speeds and connectivity, and that's just the beginning. Stay with us as we delve into the ground-breaking MyEye Pro, the powerful electric Atlas robot, Microsoft's innovative Silica glass, the agile CyberDog 2, transformative nanotechnology, and the advanced AMBIDEX Robot. Get ready to be amazed by the future that awaits us. 1. Hyundai Future Mobility is a visionary concept that redefines the future of transportation. Integrating smart vehicles with urban infrastructure, this connected and sustainable mobility ecosystem offers a glimpse into a future where transportation is efficient and environmentally friendly. Imagine a world where smart vehicles communicate seamlessly with their surroundings, optimizing traffic flow, reducing emissions, and enhancing safety. Hyundai Future Mobility stands out for its innovative approach to transportation, combining cutting-edge technology with a commitment to sustainability. Its focus on creating a connected and efficient mobility ecosystem sets it apart, offering new possibilities for urban planning and transportation infrastructure. With autonomous vehicles that can interact with smart traffic systems and other urban infrastructures, Hyundai is paving the way for a future where commuting is safer, faster, and more eco-friendly. 2. AKKA's flying train is a groundbreaking concept that reimagines the future of transportation, blending the efficiency of high-speed rail with the freedom of flight. Join us as we soar into the skies aboard AKKA's flying train, a revolutionary mode of transportation that combines the best of both worlds. Powered by advanced propulsion systems and aerodynamic design, the flying train glides effortlessly above traditional infrastructure, bypassing traffic congestion and reducing travel times to unprecedented levels. Experience the thrill of travel as we explore the seamless integration of ground and air travel, offering passengers a smooth and comfortable journey from city to city. From urban mobility to intercity transportation, AKKA's flying train promises to revolutionize how we move people and goods in the 21st century. 3. Satellite 5G is a technology that promises to revolutionize global connectivity. Combining the speed of 5G networks with the expansive coverage of satellite communication, Satellite 5G offers high-speed internet access even in remote locations. Imagine being able to connect to the internet seamlessly, no matter where you are in the world, from the heart of a bustling city to the most remote corners of the globe. Satellite 5G bridges the digital divide, providing connectivity for underserved communities and enabling new possibilities for communication. Its ability to offer high-speed internet access in areas where traditional infrastructure is lacking sets it apart. This innovation not only promises to bring high-speed internet to rural and underserved areas, but also enhances the reliability and resilience of global communication networks. 4. DJI Avata 2 is a cutting-edge drone that pushes the boundaries of aerial technology. With advanced obstacle avoidance, extended flight time, and high-resolution imaging, this UAV is a top choice for professional aerial photography and videography. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial footage with ease, navigating complex environments without fear of collisions, and experiencing flight like never before. The DJI Avata 2's innovative design and advanced features position it as a game-changer in the drone industry, offering new possibilities for professional and recreational use. Its enhanced stability, improved flight control systems, and high-definition cameras make it an invaluable tool for filmmakers, photographers, and even emergency responders who need reliable and high-quality aerial imagery. 5. 6G vision for 2030 is set to revolutionize connectivity by 2030, promising unprecedented speeds, ultra-low latency, and seamless connectivity. 6G technology has the potential to transform industries and drive innovation. Imagine a world where devices are connected instantly, where virtual reality is indistinguishable from reality, and where autonomous vehicles communicate seamlessly with each other and their surrounding. 6G technology aims to provide connectivity that is faster and more reliable than ever before, enabling new applications and experiences that were previously unimaginable. The 6G vision for 2030 stands out for its ambitious goals and transformative capabilities. With expected speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G and enhanced connectivity for IoT devices, 6G will enable a new era of smart cities, connected devices, and immersive virtual experiences. 6. MyEye Pro, a groundbreaking assistive technology device for individuals with visual impairments. This wearable gadget uses AI and camera technology to provide real-time audio descriptions of surroundings, enhancing independence and accessibility. Imagine a device that can help visually impaired individuals navigate their environment with confidence, read books, recognize friends, and identify objects. The MyEye Pro stands out for its intuitive design and the life-changing features, making it a significant advancement in assistive technology. Its ability to provide real-time audio descriptions enables greater independence and accessibility. By translating visual information into audible feedback, the MyEye Pro offers a new level of autonomy for the visually impaired, transforming their daily life. 7. Electric Atlas Robot is a marvel of modern robotics, combining strength, agility, and advanced AI capabilities. Designed to navigate challenging terrains and perform complex tasks, this robot's mobility and dexterity are impressive. The Electric Atlas Robot can traverse difficult environments, making it ideal for search and rescue missions, construction, and other demanding applications. Imagine a robot that can climb steep slopes, navigate through rubble, and perform delicate tasks with precision. The Electric Atlas Robot's advanced AI allows it to adapt to its surroundings and make real-time decisions, enhancing its effectiveness in various scenarios. Its ability to handle hazardous environments and perform high-precision tasks makes it a valuable asset in fields ranging from disaster response to industrial automation. 8. Microsoft Silica Glass is a groundbreaking data storage technology designed to revolutionize cloud infrastructure. With a raw capacity of 7 terabytes on a DVD-sized glass platter, it ensures unparalleled data density and safety. The innovative project utilizes ultra-fast lasers to write data into the glass and regular light to read it, making data overwriting during reading physically impossible. Project Silica combines optics and computer science, pushing the boundaries of data storage. This innovation represents Microsoft's commitment to advancing cloud infrastructure, providing a durable and efficient solution for long-term data preservation. Imagine a future where data is stored in a medium that is virtually indestructible, ensuring the integrity and accessibility of critical information for centuries to come. 9. CyberDog 2, an advanced robotic companion that combines agility, intelligence, and versatility. This quadruped robot, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and AI capabilities, can navigate diverse environments and perform a range of tasks with precision. Imagine a robotic companion that can assist with household chores, provide companionship, or even perform security tasks. CyberDog 2's potential applications are vast, from personal assistance to professional use in industries like security and surveillance. Its agility and responsiveness make it an excellent candidate for tasks that require quick reflexes and adaptability. With its advanced sensors and AI, CyberDog 2 can navigate complex environments and interact with humans and other devices in a meaningful way. 10. Nanotechnology is a field with the potential to revolutionize numerous industries. By manipulating materials at the nanoscale, this cutting-edge science enables the creation of products with enhanced properties and functionality. From advanced drug delivery systems that target specific cells in the body to ultra-lightweight materials with incredible strength, nanotechnology is poised to reshape technology, medicine, and beyond. In the medical field, nanotechnology can create targeted drug delivery systems that deliver medication directly to the affected cells, reducing side effects and increasing effectiveness. In the materials science field, it can create materials that are stronger, lighter, and more durable than anything currently available. The possibilities are endless, from self-healing materials to ultra-efficient energy storage system. 11. AMBIDEX Robot. AMBIDEX Robot. Known for its remarkable dexterity and versatility, this advanced robotic system can handle complex tasks with precision and efficiency. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and AI technology, the AMBIDEX Robot adapts to various environments, performing a wide range of functions from intricate assembly tasks to delicate surgical procedures. Imagine a robot assisting in delicate surgeries or assembling complex machinery parts with seamless precision. This robot's design incorporates advanced sensors that provide real-time feedback, allowing it to make minute adjustments instantly. This adaptability means the AMBIDEX Robot can be used in diverse fields, from manufacturing to healthcare, significantly reducing human error and increasing productivity. Today, we've explored the top 11 game-changing technologies shaping our future. From Hyundai's visionary future mobility concept to AKKA's revolutionary flying train, each innovation offers a glimpse into a world of endless possibilities. Satellite 5G, DJI Avata 2, and the 6G vision for 2030 showcase the power of connectivity, while MyEye Pro and the electric Atlas robot highlight advancements in assistive technology and robotics. Microsoft's Silica glass, CyberDog 2, Nanotechnology, and the AMBIDEX Robot round out our list with their transformative capabilities. Explore these remarkable innovations further and stay curious about the future that awaits us. Thank you for watching